Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to tell you that how you can move the SSD from your old laptop to your new laptop. So I have Dell, which is my old laptop. I'm going to move the SSD external hard drive which I installed from my this Inspiration Dell to the new Lenovo one. So I'm going to tell you step by step how you can do that. First you have to take off the back of the old one, and as you can see the SSD is there, and that's the battery. So we're just gonna take off that bracket of where the SSD is, use the same screwdriver which is used to take off the back. So we're gonna bring the new laptop here. It's time to take off the back of this one. There you go. And as you can see from here, we can see from the top right side, that's the space which they're given in this laptop for the SSD with the bracket. But there is one problem which I just found out when I just opened the back of this new laptop, which I did not know that this laptop does not come with the cable. So I ordered this cable to connect your SSD, the external SSD, with this Lenovo one, and that's the space which you're gonna use to plug in with your SSD drive. I'm gonna put it nicely under the battery, and as you can see, whichever best works for you, you can do it accordingly. This will go in here, and then we're gonna plug in with the SSD. First we have to put in the same bracket they given, and now nice and easy we plugged in and close it down fully. So this process looked very simple and easy if you do it nicely. Now I'm gonna show you how it looked like, how to install. Sometimes you have to initialize the SSD, but in my case it was there because the drive was encrypted BitLocker. So I'll show you. You have to go in computer management if you have to initialize. The first one is SSD, and then from the list of the top you can see as well it says SSD. You can sometime right click and initialize from here, but I think it's already initialized, so I don't have to do that. I have to minimize and go in File Explorer. Here you will see that one is encrypted. When I double click, I have to enter the BitLocker recovery or recovery key, and then there you go, it's unlocked and we have the same data in the same drive from the old laptop to new laptop. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to like, subscribe this channel, and